Well, it's just a little windy out here tonight in Avoca, Iowa, and I'm just walking through here to get to my truck. And, truck stops are they're a safe spot, for drivers to be and for travelers, everybody else to be. And man, the wind's blowing pretty good tonight. A lot of drivers had stopped because the wind got up to about 40 or 50 miles an hour, and you probably can't see me now, but unlock my truck in order to get in, and that way you can see me and hear me better. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're in the truck. But yeah, I just figured I'd start this video. Get some light in here. There we go. Anyway, get some light in here and get this off my neck. Ain't nobody calling me right now. But yeah, well, a lot of, I don't know if you can see them out there, but a lot of trucks are parked here tonight. You can probably see them right there. And right where this sign's at, there's a whole bunch of them underneath there, But yeah, as you could tell by, you heard it when I was walking across the parking lot, it is windy out there tonight. And, but, it's calming down quite a bit from what it was earlier. And that's one thing about a high-profile vehicle, i.e. a truck, that if the wind blows a little bit too much, we have a tendency, if we are very light or empty like I am, we'll pull it over and we'll stop for the night, if it's late enough or whatever, and wait for the wind to subside. It's supposed to be a lot calmer tomorrow. So, anyway, but figured I'd take you on a little journey from building to truck. And my videos are going to be coming more and more. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed. It's just a short little vlog for tonight. Talk at you later. Bye-bye.